Om Ganeshaya Namaha. I request you all to go through the disclaimer first. Today we are going to study about Chandra Adhi Yoga. I request you all to see the recording till the end because I am explaining this particular Chandra Adhi Yoga with a live example. Chandra Adhi Yoga. When Jupiter, Mercury, Venus are in 6, 7 or 8 from Moon, then this Chandra Adhi Yoga gets formed. 6th house stands for enemies, debits, loans, health issues. 7th house indicates marriage, love affairs, partnership of business. 8th house indicates longevity of life, some unforeseen obstructions and losses, and some hindrance. The result one can get will depend upon the aspect and the sign in which these planets are placed. Let's assume these planets are placed in a benefic sign or these planets are beneficial. Then the results. The native enemies will not able to harm him. The native will not face any problem related to debts and loans. The native's health will be good. The native's married life will be good. The native will face less obstructions in life. Here is the chart. You can see the person is born 22nd of April 1989, 10:30 p.m. and the longitude and latitude are here. You can count from Moon in a clockwise position. You can see the 7th and 8th house are occupied by the benefics. Thus, the Chandra Adhi Yoga is get formed. One additional point. When you count from Moon in a clockwise position, the 7th house, Sun is been placed, which clearly indicates Moon and Sun are aspecting each other in 180 degrees, which clearly indicates the Chandra Adhi Yoga gets formed. And this particular native is born in an full moon day or Paurnami. The Chandra Adhi Yoga, you can see over here, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus and combination gives an Chandra Adhi Yoga to this particular native. The benefic planets are placed in 6th, 7th or 8th house from the moon and gives this particular Chandra Adhi Yoga. You can reach me through telephone, WhatsApp or Telegram. Number is 9282103960. I request you all to subscribe the channel, press the bell button so that you can get the latest information at the faster rate. Thank you very much.